Hey gamers, GadInsider here with huge Xbox news. The Stream Your Own Game feature just hit the Xbox PC app, letting you play your games without installs. Let's dive into this game changer. Stream Baldur's Gate 3 or Cyberpunk 2077 to your PC with no downloads, saving space and time. Want to try it for free? Stick around for the details. On July 15, 2025, Microsoft expanded Xbox Cloud Gaming's Stream Your Own Game feature to the Xbox PC app for Xbox insiders with Game Pass Ultimate, as announced on Xbox Wire. Now you can stream over 250 digital games you own, like Baldur's Gate 3, Star Wars Outlaws, and Assassin's Creed Shadows, without installing them. This saves storage and skips lengthy downloads, even for console-only titles that don't support Xbox Play Anywhere. To use it, you need a $19.99 per month Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a free Xbox Insider Program membership in one of the 28 supported countries, like the US and UK. Join the Insider Program via the Xbox Insider Hub on PC, then head to the Cloud Gaming section in the Xbox PC app, find the Stream Your Own Game catalog, and start playing instantly. Posts on X are hyped, with users praising the flexibility for low-spec PCs and big games like Hogwarts Legacy. Microsoft also plans to add more titles, including exclusives, and bring this to the Xbox Store soon. Why is this huge? This update makes gaming device agnostic, letting you play anywhere without monster downloads. It's a win for storage-strapped PCs and a step towards Microsoft's unified gaming vision. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore fan, this feature is all about flexibility and fun. Ready to stream your games? Drop a comment. What title are you streaming first? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.